Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too much space on the application of Youku app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Youku app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget